Good morning. My name is Shantanil and I am a fellow at Alphaa AI. So our first week task was to come up with a story using the US Superstore Dataset. This is the dashboard that I came up with, keeping the upper level management in mind. They can get a quarterly overview of how the store is working, what are the customers who have brought in the most revenue but are not bringing in that much profit. They can also get an overview of what is the state level performance from here. They can see that some of these states are bringing in more profit and some of these states are not bringing in that much profit, like Texas, Pennsylvania, and Ohio are not doing that good. They can also get an idea of what is the subcategory level overview based on profit, like tables and bookcases are not doing that well. Clicking on this button, they can get an idea of what are the specific items that need to be reconsidered. So that is what my story was for week 1. Thank you for viewing the video and do leave your comments if you find it useful.